Welcome, it's Emerson DIY, and today
we're going to be getting our yard ready for spring. So this is step one in our spring rejuvenation. And the first things we need to do is the annual transition, putting the snowblower away, and taking out the lawn. While we traditionally mulch all our mowings to return nutrients back to the soil, this first one we bag and then we make sure we dump it into our organics only cart so it goes to the proper place. But we want to make sure we don't spread any winter disease or any fungus throughout the yard on this initial mowing. But there are going to be some bald spots that we come across and we want to fill those in, so we go ahead and grab our grass seed. Because our lawn has a mixture of tall trees and shade and bright sun, we use a sun and shade mix. So we go ahead and dump it into a hand-filled hopper. And the reason we use that is because then we can control how much we put down. Now, there's going to be some spots that are really bald after the winter because we have a dog and we have other rodents or different things that come in the yard. So we hand dump in those areas to lay it on heavy. Keep in mind, seed is cheap and a full lawn serves you well for all the fun stuff that's coming this summer. So this is our first major step. Now, comment below what you like to do in the spring, and we'd love to hear from you, but this is just step one. Future series will be coming soon, so be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on notifications to get notified of the future ones. Now, some of our areas are extremely thin. So for that, not only do we lay our base seed, but we also put a mulch mixture on top, and then we cordon off this area to keep traffic low so we can fill in this spot. Corners are really bad. Outside the step or outside the door, which is here. So this is where the dog comes out when he first comes out of the house. This gets trampled very thin. So we got to do a lot of work here, but we will definitely share updates in future videos. So the next steps will be feeding the lawn along with the gardens. Thanks again for joining, and we hope this gets you out in your yard. We appreciate you being here, and we hope you join the Dad and Son community and look forward to seeing step 2 and beyond.